Écoute ça. Ah, il est là. Oh. Oh.
Damn, boy. Woo. Oh, shit. I almost went down. Oh, no! Shit! Oh, shit!
In the truck, I think.
Oh, is it okay? Let me take care of that. I say I knocked it out.
That was a good, humane way of doing it.
Yeah. That sucks. I didn't know they.
Real. Here we go.
Yeah, Devin.
I got you, Devin.
Come on. You can do it.
Good, I got him.
Hold him.
I got him.
He's gonna run. You got it. Nice.
Holy!
He's got it still there.
I got this.
Oh, yeah.
I got him.
Go, Devin.
I got this.
Come on, Devin.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. Dude, he has another bass in its mouth.
Oh, okay, I got him.
You got him?
I got him.
Oh my god.
I got him.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. We just saved this bass's life. He's still alive.
Oh my god.
Let's put him back.
So that might
Dude.
be a 9.
Let's go get a weight on him, bro. Holy cow.
Show him to the folks back home, Bryce.
I just want to cut the fuck out of my hand. Jesus Christ, this thing is cooking. What the fuck?
On a crappie rod! He's on a fucking crappie rod, dude! Holy shit! I wish I had my bow, dude. Oh my god! How the fuck are we gonna get him up here, dude?
Holy
How do I have him on a crappie rod, dude?
Oh my fucking god.
Can't freaking
Holy shit! Holy shit!
freaking dinosaur!
Holy shit! Oh my fucking god!
Biggest fucking car I've ever had this close.
Holy shit!
Holy shit!
Oh my fucking god!
dude! Holy fucking shit! I barely got him, dude. I barely got him. I don't know how I'm gonna.
Yeah. A lot of bait.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a giant! That is a freaking giant! Oh
my God, it's a giant. This is a giant. Oh, come on, stay on, stay on. It's gonna jump, it's gonna jump. Come on. Oh! Get in the net. Oh my God! Babe, that's a freaking giant! Oh my God! Oh my God, this is the biggest bass in my... Oh! Look at that! Oh my God! Are you freaking kidding me? I can see that! What is that? That.
We're out here fishing, and I actually found a bass in this little part of the creek. He's supposed to live out there, but he can't get out. We have to get him. Oh! Oh my gosh, we just caught a bass with our hands. Oh my God.
What is that? Oh my God, a pike. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's a northern. Oh boy, he is eyeing me up too.
You see that? Oh, they threw him out here. Oh, where is it?
It's gone. Are
Your
you
rod's
fucking
gone?
kidding me?
The rod's gone.
I gotta get this rod out there. Wait.
Oh shit. Got it? What is
I
it?
got it. I got the fucking rod.
No, you don't. You got the rod we lost?
Yes.
Yeah, you do. You hooked the line. Oh, there's the rod. Do you have a fish on now? Tighten the drag. You found the rod. You got the fish. Oh my God. Got him. Oh my God, that's what I wanted to happen. Nice one. He's...
All right, guys, it's time to go release my new pet fish. Let's put him in. Bye, buddy. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the? No! Oh my God! Wait! No! Run, buddy! Run! You're safe! You're safe! Oh my God! He's over here! He's over there! Oh my God! What the heck?
Reel! Reel! He's a big one! Reel! Keep reeling, buddy. You gotta reel. Reel. No, right here. Reel. There you go.
Use your muscles.
Reel him
It's a
up.
big one.
Keep going. He's fighting, isn't he? Keep going. Keep reeling, bud. Oh, there he is. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that one.
Mommy, it's a big one. It's a big one.
It's a big one. I want to take more big one. I want to take more big one. I want to take more big one.
Look at that.
Yeah, it even looks a lot smaller on camera. Whoa, look at that perch. That's a nice perch. Come on, buddy, eat it. He's half putting it in his mouth. Come on. No, I pulled it too quick. I should have left it. I think I spooked him. He's back, he's back. Them are bigger perch, dude. Yes, I got him, I got him, I got him. Nice, dude.
Boys, we're going fishing. I said we're going fishing. Let's go! Why? Hey boys, y'all watch out for cottonmouth. What's that? Snakes.
What? Oh, I saw one! I saw one! I saw one!
Ready, boys? Cast.
How do you do that?
Did I catch one?